Do you want to know how you can successfully trade just once a month off the monthly charts? Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the owner of the Forex Trading Coach, with video and podcast number 586. So I get questions from people that say, look, I'm not interested in trading, all the time, staring at charts all the time. What can I do? Well, for me, you need to therefore start to consider the higher time frame charts. And the best example of that, where you only need to look at your charts just once a month, would be trading off the monthly charts. Now, the beauty of the monthly charts is they contain so much information, because obviously each chart, each candle contains 1 month's worth of information, of price action. And the other great thing about that, because there's so much information in that, they tend to be one of the most reliable chart setups. And you have to be aware that because they are monthly charts, you will find that trades will take potentially slightly longer to work out, but just think of it as a candle or a bar. In other words, if you were trading on, let's say, a 4-hour chart, you might expect a trade to last in the market maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. And therefore, when you're trading on a monthly chart, it's no different. So you have to be willing to leave trades in and let the market and the price action do its thing. But the great thing about trading monthly charts is all you need to do is look at your charts just once a month, and that's on the last day or the completed day of the month. So for example, for this month, we have the 1st of May coming up on Thursday of this week. So on Thursday, the 1st of May, the Wednesday candle, which is the 30th of April, would have closed, and therefore we can then, when all those candles close at 5 p.m. New York time, when the candles close, the next month will open, which is the 1st of May, and at that point we can go and make our analysis on all of the closed and completed April charts. So we can go through the charts and scan through all the different markets. I scan personally through all the Forex markets, the metals, the commodities, the indices, the cryptos, and I scan through all of them, and it takes like 10 minutes tops to go through them all on the monthly charts, and just to scan through, look at what's setting up, what has room to move for potential for a new buy trade or a new sell trade for that month. Now, because the price action within a monthly chart is so much bigger, the way that I trade, it just means that we get massive reward to risks, and depending on the actual trade itself, we'll get reward to risks from about 3 to 1 minimum through to about 6, 7, sometimes 8 to 1 reward to risk off those monthly charts. Now, the issue is that some people will look at a monthly chart and they go, oh, I can't trade it because the stop loss is too big. That's not actually the case. What you have to do is reduce your lot size, and you can, in most cases, depending on your account size, of course, trade very accurately with accurate risk and position sizing on those bigger time frame charts. And so depending on the month, I'll get some months there'll be 1 or 2 trades on the monthly chart. Sometimes there'll be 5 or 6 trades. It just depends on what's happening at the time. But the monthly charts are just a great way to have some trades running in the background. You see them once a month, you put the trades on just once a month and let them, do their own thing. Now, the way that I personally trade is I split my positions up into 2 positions. I take one part of my risk at the market order. And so I want to jump straight in at the market, because the danger is, if, let's say, the market's moving up and you get a good strong candle close in April, in May, it may just continue straight up. And so I take a part of my position at the market order, but I also take another part of my position at a buy limit order. So that means if the price retraces first, or at some stage within that month, it then fills me at a buy limit order, which is a lot lower than when the candle opens. So I'm looking for, first of all, the price to retrace, come lower, get my buy order filled, and then move up into the anticipated direction. When you see that happen, your reward to risk becomes really large on those particular type of trades. So if you'd like to find out how you can trade just once a month, or on weekly charts once a week, or on daily charts just once a day, and you'd like to know how to take your trading to that next level with low risk per trade, doesn't matter what the stop loss is or the market or the size of the candle, it's completely irrelevant. The way that we trade is identical across all time frame charts of what we're looking for in terms of candle patterns. So it's just one trading strategy. It makes it very easy to scan through your charts. So on your monthly charts, as mentioned, once a week, put the trades on, leave them alone. If you'd like to find out how to do this, your timing is absolutely perfect, because next week on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we are turning 16 years old here at the Forex Trading Coach. And to celebrate that, I'm offering a massive discount on our 5-star rated coaching course that's been running for now 16 years. And it's going to be offered to you at the lowest price it's ever been in those 16 years. So if you're serious about trading and taking your trading to the next level, register. I'll put a link here so you can find out how to register for that sale. And make sure that you are on my site next week, Wednesday the 7th of May. That may be Tuesday the 6th of May, depending on where you live, especially if you're in the UK, Europe, US, Canada, etc. And it's going to be a 24-hour dime sale, but it's going to go up by $53 every hour. So the first hour, the price is going to be the lowest ever in 16 years, and then each hour it's going to go up and up. So make sure that you register, find out specific details about when it starts and how you can take advantage of that and learn how to trade properly. If you're out there looking for a really, really good broker, high quality broker, that you can trade monthly charts and all other time frame charts across multiple markets. And by the way, they just keep adding more and more markets all the time. I highly recommend you take a look at Blueberry Markets. They're a fantastic bunch of people, great service. The customer service, you cannot speak highly enough of. It's absolutely exceptional. Great broker, really good platform in terms of MetaTrader 5 and 4. But a massive array of markets across different time frame charts. Check out Blueberry Markets. I'll put a link to them here as well. And don't forget to check out our 16th birthday sale, which is next week. I'll put a link to that so you can register for that. If you're watching, don't forget to like and subscribe or share the video. If you're listening, hope you've enjoyed the session. And I will see you this time next week. Bye for now.